Should I buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals? The report for Tonix Pharmaceuticals was first published on our website Monday, January 9, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 4, 2023, our system ranks Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with an gain 64.16% since we first told you to buy Tonix Pharmaceuticals 4 days ago. This is an average return of 16.04% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, our last headline reads, high volatility in Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price on Monday, which ended trading at 82 cents. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price gained 20.59% on the last trading day, Monday, January 9, 2023, rising from $0.680 to 82 cents. It has now gained 8 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 19.63% from a day low at $0.698 to a day high of 84 cents. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 149.24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -6 million shares and in total, 10 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.04 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $4.79, and the lowest price was $0.0880. Right now the price is 82.88%, or $3.97, below 52-week high and 98.97%. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -9 below all-time high January 5 over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -59.77% and -9.31%. The 12-month trend indicates a 8.06% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -66.93% and 334.84%. This equals a price between $0.271 and $3.57 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Monday, April 18, 2022, Noble Capital Markets set price target to 0.6. From analysts, Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a neutral and price to book a neutral rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock and sell rating. The following signals have been found for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $0.542 and $0.403. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, December 19, 2022, and so far it has risen 181.79%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 33 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 92 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $0.680. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $0 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.137 between high and low, or 19.63%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 24.09%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Tonix Pharmaceuticals finds first level of support at $0.680, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Tonix Pharmaceuticals is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 29, 2022, Letterman Seth made an inside buy of 20,000 of common stock, $0.001 par value. On May 9, 2022, Taylor Carolyn E. made an inside buy of 2,131,500 of stock option. On May 9, 2022, Bagger Richard H. made an inside buy of 2,131,500 of stock option. On May 9, 2022, Grange David L. made an inside buy of 2,131,500 of stock option. On May 9, 2022, Bell Margaret Smith made an inside buy of 2,131,500 of stock option. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 73.956. In total, the insiders bought 33,107,237 and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $0.799, minus 2.62%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 94 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 13 days ago. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a buy? Tonix Pharmaceuticals holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 10th, we expect Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open down $0.0357 and start trading at $0.784. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to